We're just going look around. Hi, babe. So guys, we're at Home Depot. We're just look around.
We need a 48-inch. That's the right size.
Oh, I like that one, honey. So this one also.
I think I like the gray one.
Hi, babe. There's a gorilla.
Yeah.
I think you need this one sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes for painting. So
What is this for spray? Water. Hey, baby. Just grab everything. That's pretty neat because they put a sign. See, honey?
what?
They have this line. They have arrow.
Door, window, molding.
Oh, I think this is mom wanted to get, honey.
What?
Like this. Like the mirror. So she can see it. But that's different one.
You sure?
Magnifying, what do you call this one? But,
Magnifying.
yeah, but it's not the for the only the handle that she like to have,
Oh, okay.
so she can see something.
JR.
My husband take a picture of this because I have I have a history with my brother to this. He planning for.
Trim. Oh, that's paneling trim. That's not sheetrock trim. This has got to be sheetrock trim.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, this one here. This one, babe. No? Oh.
That's over here.
I think they don't have that it only. And they have a small one.
Well, there's one like this. It's just like this, except it has some more coming out here, flat. So it's a mud guard, and you can. It is for painting, so you can rip it off easy.
They don't have it here.
Oh, let's see what.
And this one is nice to be floor. Heavy.
Yeah, that's particle board, MDF or something. MDF. Multi-density fiber board. $60 maple.
Each? Oh. Mahal. too. Uy.
I like to grunt. Even though I'm not lifting anything, so I like to grunt,
Oh, this is what you're getting. Yeah.
Ken, let's see what they got out here.
I don't know.
They got
Yeah.
something already mixed up.
I think I like sour. See, I think this is.
Oh my goodness.
Get a lot.
Oh my goodness.
You making more?
I don't believe this.
Where'd it
I
go?
just had to have a cookie.
This is hard, Mom. I think you don't like this one because it's hard. It's hard.
Oh, is that ginger cookies?
No, it's a Philippines like rolling bayan. We call it roller.
But it is a cookie.
Yeah, it's hard cookies. And this one, you like this one?
Oh, that's dark bread, dark flour.
No, this is OB, the purple.
Okay, I'm gonna go lay down.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it easy for a while. I might go out to the shop later on this evening for an hour or two.
Oh, there she is. Hi, Sophie.
May not. And we gotta go tomorrow?
So guys, hello you guys. So we just get out from the Walmart after I got the shot. Then we went to grocery shopping, walking around too. So here I saw a little bit blood. You see this one, hon?
Oh yeah.
The last time I didn't get like that, but
Let's go to the hospital.
no, I don't feel yet much like, you know, a pain, but I'm okay right now. So yeah, we're gonna heading home.
After we drive in the Walmart.
Oh, you did annoy. He's looking around. One of this day, we're gonna look around on the flowers and for gardening stuff. Gutom ako, guys. Nagutom ako. I bought the chicken feet. Wow, look at that one, honey. Oh, I like that. I think that's a perennial. month. So that's mom favorite Handa from. I want to get her Mother's Day for that. Okay. I just drive around here. I'm sorry, hon, I'm thirsty, but you don't have water.
Go ahead. There you go.
Huh? So guys, nagluluto ako ng chicken feet to help me better kasi today is my second vaccine. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in here.